Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a little bit different because I'm not exactly going to teach you how to make anything. I'm sort of going to attempt to make something, and if I fail, I fail. Yikes! Oh god. I'm going to be sort of following a recipe by the Cooking Foodie. So I'm going to be following a video as I do this video. 190 grams of plain flour. So I've got my plain flour here. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 2, 3. Salt. Okay, I never understand why people add salt to dessert. I know, like, I do it anyways, but I don't know. Like, I'm just gonna add that much. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, I guess you can see that's processed. 115 grams. So I've set my thing back to 0. I'm on 39 grams. This bowl's quite big. Oh, I'm on 118, but that's fine. Yeah, it's like making apple crumble, and apple crumble I know how to make really well. So I think I'm just gonna make a crummy dough because that's what it says, but she's using a food processor. Got my clean hands. I'm just watching. Oh, we have to add 1 egg and vanilla extract. Oh god, you know I don't know how to crack an egg with one hand. I find it really hard, but I did it anyways. I guess I'll say a teaspoon is about a cupful. So I'll just do a cupful. Pulse until a dough is formed, so I have to make a dough. I don't really want to touch it. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I feel like it's not meant to be this wet. Oh no. Guys, we've already started failing. It's so, oh my god, it's so sticky. It's not meant to be this sticky. Guys, look at this. Hold on. Hers is so dry. Mine's so... Let me try some extra flour, a tiny bit. Okay, cool. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Leave it like that. That's it. That's how I'm gonna leave it. Because now it's fairly okay. Okay, I've got some cling film. I'm gonna take the, whatever you want to call this, monstrosity. And she said, it says to flatten into a disc. So I'm wrapping it into a plastic and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Okay, cool. 2 eggs. 3 egg yolks. Okay, so I have to separate the egg. Show you guys how I'm gonna separate the egg. So just drain out all the egg whites. Keep draining all the egg whites. Oh, I kind of split the yolk now. So, and then I'm going to put it into the bowl. So that's the egg yolk. So I need 150 grams of sugar. All right. Again, more salt. Why do we add salt to desserts, guys? I really like to know. Got my salt. Why do we add salt to dessert? I find it so weird. And then we whisk it. And we are whisking the sugar and the egg yolks and stuffs. Okay. And then it says we need some lemon zest. It said 2 lemons, we need the zest of them. My zest even zesting. Set my unit to milliliters. I'm gonna cut my lemon and just squeeze out as much juice as possible. Ooh. It's a lot weaker since it's been zested. These 2 lemons are really doing this thing. Okay, we're at 120. We're at 121. So we good. And I'm guessing that goes inside our thing. So does all of it go in there? Yeah, okay, it does. And then whisk until combined. Oh, heavy cream, half a cup, so 120 milliliters of heavy cream. Okay, slightly over, but not the end of the world. Ew. I was worried about how watery it was earlier, but now that I've added the cream, wouldn't have evaporated milk been another good alternative? I feel like it would have. Where's the flour at? Cool. So dash some flour onto the surface, like so. Then I believe I just have to roll it out according to the video. On top of here, and just roll it out. Yikes! Oh god. Oh god. This is why. That's what happens when you don't go by the book. And then it sort of did like a thing where they... it's sticking to the thing because I don't have oh no. It's sort of sticking. No! It's sticking to the surface. I needed to add more flour. Okay, this is good. Ah! That should be fine. I've got my tin here. I'm supposed to like peel it off like this. Ooh. Okay, and then what? Do I just roll it on here? Ooh. Okay, no, I know I'm doing it wrong, but yeah. Okay, I did it wrong. There, up there, up there, up there. This is so much better, guys. Look. Yikes. Yikes. I'm gonna put that on my rolling pin and carry it. So far so good. Got my... This isn't easy. I can't... We'll try again. We try again. Okay. This is the time, guys. This is it. This has to be it now. This will get onto the pie crust sheet pan. I'm gonna... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys. It's not even even. Okay. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. Can I get away with that? Yeah. Just... Yeah. Guys. It's not too bad. Okay. So, peeling that bit off. Yeah, guys! And you guys must be like, bacon is so easy. Trust me, it's not that easy for me, guys. But I'm really, when I say I'm so proud of how this has come out, like I can't even tell a lie. Like I'm very, very proud of how this has come out. So now I need to put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes. The parchment paper. Wow, it was actually starting to freeze. It's a good thing I took it out because it hadn't even been half an hour. Oh, I'm running out. I've run out. Need to get more of rice. Okay, guys. So we've got that golden brown. This was for 10 minutes. Now we're going to add the mixture. Make sure don't overfill it. That should be enough. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know how to feel. It don't look as good as the picture though. I have been poking it a little bit and I think some seeds from the lemon got into it. Yeah, the crust looks good. Yeah, the crust I think looks pretty good. I'm just gonna leave it out for the 2 hours, then I'm gonna come back to it. Well guys, I just took some photos, but here for the moment of truth. How does this thing taste? So let's have a look at the piece that we've got here. How did I do on the crust, guys? Yeah, I'll give the crust about a 2. I don't think it's amazing, but it's really nice. The lemon, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. It's really tasty. Maybe it should be chilled a bit more, in my opinion. Like I want it, I don't know, a little bit more firm. Yeah, presentation wise I'd give it a, depending on what slice you get, but presentation wise I'd give it a 3. But yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, just drop a comment and a like on the video. I can start doing more of these at 15 likes. So if you can get 15 likes on this video, I will definitely do more. Guys, look at that. Look at that piece there. Wow. It's absolutely delicious, guys. I can't lie to you. Let's get 15 likes on this video and I'll do more. But thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.
Wow, that is delicious. Finally, some good fucking food.